This reaction is sponsored by Chromaticity Cosmetics. Oh, y'all thought this was somebody else's company? No, it's mine. Chromaticity Cosmetics is my cosmetic and my skincare business where I have lotions, body butters, a whole bunch of varieties of different lip glosses, lip oils, and lip scrubs as well that is soften and hydrate your lips, while the body butters and lotions soften and hydrate your skin. We have other products coming very soon, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested, it'll be in the description box below, so go and check it out. What's up, TJS fam? It's the J Show with two eyes and thick thighs. I'm here with another video.
Just know I love you like I love myself. Just know I love you like there's no one else. Time is of the essence, I could die, so this is critical.
So yesterday, we're going to be reviewing Peter Gabriel, Shock the Monkey. So this is the crazy part. When we was doing, this song won on a poll, on a YouTube stream poll, and this was the crazy part about everything. So it was up against Genesis, and I guess it was up against two Genesis songs. And then I found out Peter Gabriel was the lead singer of Genesis at one point. And I don't know why I always thought it was Phil Collins. I know Phil Collins is a drummer too, but I thought Phil Collins was, I found out. I was today years old. Well, I was like probably 2 weeks years old when I found out. I felt so stupid. I'm like, geez. And I reviewed Genesis, and I'm like, I don't remember. Or maybe I just didn't know who Peter Gabriel was at the time, so I didn't recognize it. I don't know. I'm going to have to go back and watch the reaction, but that was crazy. Anyways, we're doing the song Shock the Monkey. That song won. That song was highly voted for, so here we are. Okay, and I'm excited. I'm about to go ahead and start. Oh, if you do like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This way you can see more videos. I got the video pulled up, and I got my handy dandy headphones. About to go ahead and start screen recording in 3, 2, 1. All right, and let's go ahead and push play now. Ooh. Okay, so Shock the Monkey is a metaphor. I'm gonna keep it going because I feel like I have an idea of what it is, but I'm. I think the instrumental is so intriguing. well. See this? I don't know why I keep doing that. Let me stop the screen recording. So when he say shock the monkey, he's saying you gonna make me jealous. You know, like when they say certain things can bring out your wild side, like when people like feel a certain emotion, sometimes they can say, oh, you know, this is when my animal instincts or by whatever kick in. And so he talking about jealousy. Why did he pick a monkey for jealousy though? The monkeys get jealous. I know apes do, but I mean they ain't the same family. But either way it go, don't make them jealous. That's what you gonna do. I mean, it's very catchy. I loved how many switches and tempo it was in this song. It was just, ooh. The switches and tempos was so freaking good. I was just like, okay. That's why it's doing that. Because it's in playlist. Okay, I see. Either way it go, this was so fantastic. I was sitting up here like, the backing vocals was crazy. The way it switched up and all the different instruments and all the different sounds, it was so intriguing. I was just sitting there like, I honestly didn't even want it to end. I can see why this won because of, oof. I want to see like, oh, it was a live video? I could have watched this live. Well, I have my opportunity. Either way, you guys, this was so great. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Push the bell notifications so you guys be updated another video. Okay. Also, you guys, if you guys are interested in getting something from my company, Chromaticity Cosmetics, which is skincare, lotion, body butter, lip glosses, it will be listed down below inside the description box. So go check that out if you're interested. There is 2 codes going on, which is 3. The code is literally 3FOR9. It's 3FOR9. Which is 3 squeeze tubes for $9, or 3FOR12. That's the code, 3 for 12 for 3 wand tubes if you're interested. And this is for the Christmas season. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. This was so amazing. I'll see you next time. Bye.
When I can't sleep at night, got all these dreams to fight. I know it's angels on my back, but I can't see the light. Got all these demons on me, I know they scheming on me. Heard a shout coming from the distance, the reaper screaming for me. Yeah, but I got purpose, so I can't go. I know the devil cursed my